Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a 4-pointed star. This is a traditional model, and I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of paper. As you can tell, both sides of the paper do show through, so it looks really cool if you use paper that has a different color on each side. You can fold it with just a standard origami paper, but it doesn't look quite as cool when one of the sides is white. So you can buy paper that has a different color on either side, or you can actually do what I did, where I just glued 2 sheets of paper together. And now to fold this, I'm going to use this sheet that's blue on one side and pink on the other. I'm going to make the pink side the center, and the blue side will be the 4 points. Now we need to start by folding the paper into thirds. And to do that, I'm just going to use the Z fold method. So to do that, you just pick the paper up and then hold it like this. Begin to fold it into thirds to where it looks like it's in thirds. And then you can just swivel it from side to side with your fingers. And then what we'll be doing is getting this edge to line up with this edge. And you don't fold it firmly until you have it perfect. So you just swivel it around until they're in the correct spot. And you'll just make sure that both sides line up. Looks like mine is just about there, so then I'm going to make pinch marks. And then I'll lay the paper flat. Then I'll take this pinch mark that I have, and I'm going to valley fold up right to my other pinch mark. Then I'll crease that all the way across, and just make sure these edges are really straight here. And then it should fold a straight line all the way. Now unfold that. And then I'll bring this top edge down to that crease we just made. And now we have thirds. Now we also need to make thirds going the other way. So we'll just use that same method. Now I have a 3x3 grid. Next we need to valley fold in half along both of the diagonals. So I'll bring this top right corner down to the bottom left corner. And then crease that all the way across. Then unfold. Then bring the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. Then unfold. Now turn the paper over. Next we're going to make a valley fold that starts where this crease meets the edge of the paper and runs all the way through this point here over to where this crease meets the edge of the paper. And to do that we can just bring this point into this crease intersection here. Then crease that. And then unfold. And we'll do the same thing with the other 3 corners. So on this bottom right corner, bring it over to this intersection, then crease that. And then unfold. Do the same with the bottom left. And the top left. Now we'll turn the paper back over. This next step is going to form a bunch of creases at the same time, but I'll break it down into smaller steps as we go. So we're going to form this valley fold and this valley fold until they meet each other. Then it's going to extend out to this bottom right corner, and at the same time we'll fold this mountain fold. So start with these 2 valley folds. And then you can pinch this corner in and then form that mountain fold there. And you can lay it flat like this. Next we're going to form this crease and then pinch this corner together. Just like that. Then we'll form this crease and pinch this corner. Now before you lay that one flat, you need to pull this corner out so it doesn't get trapped. And then you can just fold that up. Then press all your creases down nice and firm. Then we're all done. Looks like this from the back. Now if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.